ayan, natapos na kaming makapagtanim. We have to find a space to plant. Okay, that's it. Natapos na kaming magtanim ng singkamas. You want to plant more? Okay. Okay, we'll have to find a space to plant, okay? Because we already planted. Okay. Dito na lang, isingit mo dito. Bahala na silang magdikit-dikit. This will be the last na gano'n, okay? I'll put it in your hands. Mika wants to plant. Mika still not satisfied. Oh, grab all the seeds. Oh, here. Okay, and more seeds. Here. Shoot. And more seeds. Here. Shoot. Okay, we'll move on this side. And this will be the last, okay? After this, no more, huh? Here, the hole. Another one here. Another one here. And what about here? Can you reach that? Yeah! Good job, Mikalia. Okay, now we have to say bye now, okay? Are you okay now? At ayan, natapos na nga kaming nagtanim ng singkamas. Kasama ko si Mika na mahilig magtanim. O say bye-bye. Flying kiss. Singkamas. Ito yung mga nahuling harvest namin. At meron ding luya. At may natira pang seeds ng singkamas. This is the singkamas. Do you want planting and harvesting?